Hello and welcome to Still Moments. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for clicking on this video and giving a new channel a chance. Your support truly means everything, and I hope today's story brings a little calm, hope and warmth to your heart. Sometimes, love does not arrive with noise. It does not knock loudly or demand attention. Sometimes it enters quietly, stays gently, and changes your life slowly. This is the story of two people who did not rush love, but trusted the journey instead. Ayan and Sarah met in a very ordinary way. No dramatic moment, no magical background music, no instant attraction. Just two people sharing a few conversations, slowly becoming familiar with each other's presence. They were both focused on their own lives. Ayan was working hard to build his career, chasing stability and self-respect. Sarah was trying to balance her dreams with family responsibilities, learning to stay strong even when life felt heavy. At first they talked only when necessary. But over time, small conversations turned into long talks. Long talks turned into comfort. And comfort slowly turned into something deeper. Without realizing it, they became each other's safe place. But love is never tested when everything is easy. It is tested when life becomes complicated. Ayan had to move to another city for better opportunities. Sarah stayed back, holding on to her responsibilities and silent fears. They promised to stay in touch, but distance has a way of changing things. Days became busy. Calls became shorter. Messages became less frequent. And slowly, doubt began to grow. Not because they stopped caring, but because they were both tired, stressed and unsure of the future. One night Sarah finally said what she had been feeling for a long time. I don't want to hold you back, and I don't want to lose myself either. Ayan replied honestly, I want to give you more than just promises. I want to give you a secure future. They both understood something important that day. Love alone was not enough. They needed patience, growth and time. So they made a difficult decision. They chose to focus on becoming stronger individuals, while still holding space for each other in their hearts. It was not easy. There were nights when Sarah missed him deeply. There were days when Ayan felt alone in a crowded city. But whenever one of them felt weak, the other became their strength. Sometimes it was just one message. Don't give up. I believe in you. And somehow, that was enough to keep going. Months passed, then a year. They both changed. Not in love, but in confidence. Sarah became more independent and brave. Ayan became more stable and sure of his path. They were no longer just surviving. They were growing. Then one day, after a very long time, they finally met again. No big crowd. No dramatic surprise. Just two people standing face to face, realizing how far they had come. Ayan looked at Sarah and said softly, We waited. We worked. We believed. Are we ready now? Sarah smiled, with tears in her eyes, and replied, I never stopped choosing you. I was just becoming strong enough to walk with you. That moment was not about romance. It was about respect. It was about choosing each other, after choosing themselves. Because real love does not demand sacrifice of dreams. Real love supports growth, even when it hurts. Their story reminds us of something very powerful. Love does not always mean staying close. Sometimes love means giving space, trusting time, and believing that what is real will never be lost. If someone truly belongs in your life, no distance, no delay, and no difficulty can erase that connection. Because real love is not built on constant presence. It is built on constant faith. And maybe that is why the strongest relationships are not the fastest ones. They are the ones that survive uncertainty. They are the ones that choose patience over fear, and commitment over convenience. So if today you are in a phase where you are waiting, working on yourself, or building your future slowly, please remember this. You are not late. You are preparing. And the right people will never leave while you grow. They will grow with you, even if the journey looks different for a while. Sometimes love comes not to complete you, but to remind you of your own strength. And when two strong hearts finally meet, they do not just fall in love. They build a life together. Thank you so much for spending these few moments with me today.